If I pussy this, me, man go dead. Head chip, mother murder, somebody for your egg watcher. Me alone get 30 of them.
So Silk Boss is in the hot seat once again. The entertainer have an upcoming single that's entitled Brown Man, and he have a people them a talk about it. Yeah man, I want to say them a talk about it. Me no mean in a the good way, me mean in a the bad way. Yeah man, the entertainer at sing about what happened in Mandeville. Plus we also have Vybz Kartel in this update. Yeah man, the entertainer head chip on a live and me go show you that. But remember, if you're new, leave a subscribe and leave a like. Big up on yourself and make we jump right into it.
I shoot out like Brown Man. Sex body feel the total. A wit squad they get total. Me no buy gun, we get it in a holster.
Watch out, I shoot out like Brown Man.
So Neako fire forward out and a beat Silk Boss bad. Yeah man, the entertainer have a song when preview Brown Man. Yeah man, based off of the incident that happened yesterday in Mandeville, Silk Boss preview a song and Neako fire a talk about it and a talk about other things. Yeah man, remember you know, innocent people lose them life, and we have the artists them out here a drop song pon it like them a praise the actions of Brown Man.
So Silk Boss, you take up yourself run go in a studio and do song boy you glorify Brown Man. But may I ask you one question? If Brown Man did kill your baby mother Brie and kill your pitney, would you voice that same song? That's the first question may I ask you. And I need you to remember say you was the artist the man them beat and video and put all over the internet and the Jamaica people and the world sorry for you. And you even write a song about it. And say, Mommy me sorry. And say mankind wicked and all kind of stuff. So oh you take up yourself now go in the studio glorify a man who killed 3 innocent people, brother. You know see something wrong with that? I know why it hurt me so much, brother. Because life matters, brother. Life matters, brother. What do you do a cover version for a gospel song, brother? The whole world love it. And you make people bawl, brother. Don't use your voice to fuck, brother. Me have my time come with him and drop my reggae with him. And the most of people have to get Silk Boss on it. If you check your inbox right now, yesterday my inbox you and I tell you about it. And then come see how the song a glorify gunman. We kill people, brother. You know, see you fuck up, brother. And all of the people, me say I glorify this thing and make it look like it's a good thing. Remember, say 3 innocent people dead. Remember, say 3 innocent people dead. I mean, see nobody a post them picture and nothing to talk about them. Only me and few other people that talk about the 3 innocent people. Why you never go in a studio to voice a song for the family where the family can listen and hold some togetherness and I said, Janu, at least somebody feel them pain. You sing about blood clot Brown Man. On our corruption, no you talk, oh, yo, you hurt me. You hurt me.
So Popcaan reposted this video to his IG. Yeah man, it's a video from the Observer. Popcaan respond and said Jamaica with a slap in the face emoji. Yeah man, eyewitnesses say it was a good shootout. Viewers and subscribers don't know say Popcaan love the buckry already, you know. So when you see from the joke and all laugh, you don't know say it's a serious situation. So viewers and subs, Vybz Kartel was on alive when I didn't even know how it started because you know I couldn't see the comments. But me know say the teacher this up whoever asks a question about Shorty. Yeah man, him answer them in a the realest and the fiercest way. Viewers and subs, pray this and remember, leave a subscribe if you don't reach this far.
But I even live now when I say a big townhouse my bike Shorty see me. Don't know me that. Remember me a real man.
Fresh?
Yeah, big townhouse me baby mother get. Yeah, remember we a real man. Yeah, like stop going like me make you hungry, sir. Remember me work hard. Yeah, no come on my page in no corruption. Yeah. But me now, you look good do a Shana. What's your routine? You have a workout regimen? Like what do you do?
I just drink water.
Somebody say one Shorty. Here what we do now. From me see you come on my page and say, first of all, big up Shorty. Big up Shorty.
Yes.
Big up Sophia. Big up Amanda. Remember me can big up the whole and baby mother them come in here. Me a real man, me not afraid. And big up see them. Big up all of my baby mother them and big up see them. Now make me page this mix up, girl. You can see said no. You can see your life is in shambles. Your baby father either not fuck you, even like a stepdaughter with your daughter, and you know I'm not. Don't make me, hey, Come off from my page, man, they don't mix up. Remember, me can big up my baby mother them. Big up Shorty. Big up Sharika. Big up Sophia. Big up Amanda. Big up see them. Because crosses girl with your life in shambles. Come off from my page, man. If you have got through some stuff, work it out on your own. You know what I mean there?
It's true.
Yeah, man. Work it out on your own, man. Man, good.
Our life in shambles.
Yeah, your life in shambles.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Rumble down.
Without even live now, when I say a big townhouse, my bike is Shorty same way. Don't know me that. Remember me a real man.
Trip.
Yeah, big townhouse my baby mother get. Yeah, remember we a real man. So now come out, now come to the Shorty corruption.
Yeah, you're
young man.
Put more.
We are killer. Big up my baby mother them, all of them.
Oh, yeah, man.
Them mad over me left, right and center.
Yeah.
All of them back in my butt. Yeah. If I call them now, any man of them there around, them gonna run left in the same way. Yes. Yeah.
Teach you need to know what Netflix.
When I want grudge, you're bright, boy. Well, I want you. See them know some give Shorty money at one time. I see them know some give Sharika money at one time. I see them know some give Sophia money a year time.
Don't need you.
I see them know some give Amanda money. I see them transfer the money.
Don't need money.
I want to know how you feel like, boy. Come on from the page with your negative energy.
Yeah.
Yeah, all of my baby mother them have to rate me because them know no matter
All
what
of
they
them
do.
alright.
Them say, present, sir.
Yeah, ready now.
And me not cap. You can ask them behind my black too when you see them. Just say, Kartel say, him still have on the head. I hear what them say. Yeah. I want to. No negative energy from the teacher, bitch.
You need to know.
You don't feel like I not take care of baby mother then. What kind of world you live in? What kind of man you there with?
No.
Rather.
We need more man like you, my boss.
Right, Shana, what kind of man
We
them
don't
there
really
with?
have no man out here who wants more man like you.
What you mean, Shana? Talk up. Say it again.
Where they, Mrs. Shorty post a picture side of the X6 so I give my son and be a people like that. I say, all them people are invested in a bit and Shorty business.
No.
Come out of me like, I just call Sharika and say, and them telling me they on a call with Sophia. I say, hold on, Sophia.
Yeah.
Sharika, man, you pick up Shorty and go drop off something to Amanda. Matter of fact, drive see them car.
They might watch your hand like them name archive. They might archive.
Remember, I get to you, I get where I come from, even though we reach for decades now, I get where I come from. I know bad mind people and crosses people. Stay out of me and Shorty life and baby mother them life. Baby mother good. Take care of her same way. Sell her money on one time. I'm soon buy her the big fat X6 and I see them I go pick it up.
I don't like that.
Come off from my page. Don't take corruption.